U.S. Math Thinking Workshop. With an A+ age Maxium and Baby Shark, a fun and interactive experience for kids. Date and time, 9 a.m. Wednesday, March 26, 2025. Location, Baby Shark Preschool, D9-8 The Manhattan. Vinhomes Grand Park, Bergdorf City. A fun way to learn math. This workshop introduces children to math through engaging activities and games, helping them develop logical thinking and creativity in a natural and exciting way. What will your child experience? Who's the fastest? A thrilling math challenge that sharpens quick thinking and problem-solving skills. Number Mystery, a fun and interactive way to explore numbers and patterns. Math in Motion, an energetic activity combining movement and counting, making learning more dynamic. How will the children feel? From the moment they arrive, children will be filled with excitement, eager to discover the wonders of math. Some will curiously ask, "Mom, do I really get to play and learn math at the same time?" While others will happily greet their friends. Ready for the fun challenges ahead. Special gifts for participants. Little Math Genius Badge. Surprise gifts from Baby Shark. Reserve your child's spot now. Hotline 82-6822.161. YouTube Baby Shark TV. Location View on Map. Facebook. Watch here. 2025 enrollment information. Baby Shark Preschool welcomes children from 12 months to 5 years old with specialized classes. Oil class, 12 to 24 months. Dolphin class, 20 for 36 months. Sharky class, 3 to 5 years. Limited time offers. Special tuition fee, only $3,800,000 VND. 30% tuition discount, 0% interest installment plan. 75% facility fee discount, free trial days, free backpack and uniform hat for 3612-month registration. Comment below to sign up or contact us for more details.
Số 1 nè.